Hi everyone, welcome to Lexi Time. So I have been debating whether to get another Hermes dupe because I do really like the Birkin dupe that I recently purchased and I've been using it a lot. But I'm not really quite sure which one I'm interested in, so I've been kind of searching online. Of course, another iconic Hermes bag is the Hermes Faubourg Birkin, also known as the House Birkin, which came out in the year of 2019. So that is kind of the most prestigious and the top of the top that you can purchase. They are symbolic of the Hermes flagship store in Paris. So in 2019, it came out with two versions, the day and the night. And then in 2021, it came out as the midnight and snow. So the midnight is kind of like a darker black and the snow is the white one. They are pretty small. It's like a size 20. So I want to say maybe comparable to a Kelly 20 mini Kelly. But the price is kind of, ridiculously high. If you buy from the store, it's about $30,000 to $48,000. And of course, you buy from the secondary market, it's going to be like maybe 10 times that, like could be upwards of $300,000, maybe even more. So that's definitely out of my price range, or most of the people's price range probably. But I really do like it because it just looks so cute. So of course I've been searching around and looking a whole bunch, and I've seen some YouTube videos talking about the House Birkin dupe. But when I contacted the YouTuber, they said, well, the places they purchased, they couldn't find it anymore. So of course I'm doing more research and trying to find the product. And finally I found a website, and I was so shocked that I found it, but I did. And I ordered it, and that's for, I just got the order. It's in this bag. Obviously, it did not come with like a fancy box or anything, but to be expected because it is a dupe. So I'm going to open this and let you guys see what's inside and see which one I got. Okay, so this is the first layer off. On the inside, of course, it says 午夜黑, that means midnight in Chinese. So it is from a Chinese company. They are based in Hong Kong, which when I contacted them, they told me they are in Hong Kong. And it ships actually pretty fast. I got it probably less than 2 weeks, so very impressive. So far so good. Let's continue to open this. The dust bag, actually, the one that came, it feels decent. Better than the dust bag that I got it from my Birkin dupe. I mean, this one feels substantial. I do like it. It does not have any logo on top to be expected, but it is a nice dust bag, and I think I would use it too. So let's see. Oh, moment of truth. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in this here. Oh my God. This is so pretty. I can't believe it. Oh, Wow. Oh, wow. I'm speechless. Look at this. It looks so good. I'm very impressed. In the bag, their foot, protected foot. The material looks like an Epson, like a cellular structure. I think it's a pretty decent size. I do like this. So let me take off all the stuff that came with, and I'll show you some more. Okay, so look at this. I just opened up. Oh, actually, there are still stickers on this. I better peel the sticker off. Look at that shine. And there we go. So good. Looks so good. Okay, there's also a sticker on the front, which if I could get to it. Oh, almost there. Okay. Wow. I'm speechless. Looks so good. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it's closed up. I do have a little stuffing in the inside, so that's why it looks full. But close it up. The handles a little unstructured. It's okay. I could put a twilly on it, and it will look straight. Or if I just move it, it's probably because of shipping and packaging. But it is flexible, so you could adjust it. I think over time it will be more rounded. But I can't believe how gorgeous this is. I don't think this video camera is doing its justice. Look at it's like croc on top. Oh, it smells like leather. I think. Okay, there's a foot on the bottom. Oop, there we go. So shining foot on the bottom. So the actual Birkin, it has almost like a gunpowder like this hardware. So the color, it's like a gunpowder color hardware. So it's very nice. It's for all of it. It does, it looks like one of those window sill of the house Birkin, that flagship store in Paris, which I visited and absolutely love everything that's in that store. Wish I could buy a lot of stuff in there. That's so expensive. But this looks amazing. It just looks so good. It's a little bit of croc and the croc handle. So good. I'm going to take in a minute. Just take it in. I'm so glad I bought this. Okay, so let's open up and see what actually comes with it. So of course I won't be doing this every time I use this. This is going to take me forever to open and close. And most people just kind of tug in the inside flap and don't really use it out. Okay, so here's stuffing on the inside, which make it so puffy. And it has a bag. I wonder what could go inside, but obviously it's pretty dark, you can't see. There's just one big compartment. Okay, I don't think the inside is leather. It feels like a synthetic leather, but it's still good. And it has not a zipper pocket, but just a slip pocket on the back, which you could put some stuff like cards and receipts in there. And then let's see what's in this little bag here. Oh, nice. It comes with a lock. It's a nice lock. It's all matched up. Oh, it's also like a little key that goes with it. Let's see. Oh, and it works. So I'm glad this works. Okay. And it comes with the crochet, which I could dangle. I believe the real one actually doesn't look like this. The real one has like a little orange toe shopping bag that's hanging, which is super cute, but you know, it's a dupe. And this one cost me, if I remember, like maybe $150. So, you know, of course you can't compare the real one, but it's functional. I'll just put the key in here and then hook it onto the side. And this one comes with a strap. Let's look at. Oh, I like it. So it is adjustable. So you could adjust to your length, and there's, let me see, 1, 2, 3 holes. Of course, I do have a hole puncher, and I could always punch a hole myself. It doesn't look like there's any special about the holes, but I can't do it myself. And the buckle on the side looks pretty good. And I like it how it's twisting too, so it's not gonna flip when you wear it. And it does, if you look at the real House Birkin does not have that. This one, the dupe, does have that on the side too. So you can hook it onto the side, which I do like, because a lot of people are saying size 20 is super small. So really, I don't even think I could put my hands in here. Nope, can't put my hands. So really just a top handle bag like this, which could be annoying sometimes if you want to do stuff and it just, you know, you have a handful because you have to carry this. So I like how the dupe come with a strap, so you could wear it as a crossbody. I think, you know, if I stand, it would be a good crossbody size for sure. So I think that's all it comes with in terms of what it fits. I don't have any stuff right now to put in there, but it is like quite spacious. I'm sure it fits my phone, no problem. Looks like it's even more spacious than the mini Cali the dupe that I have. If you want to watch that video, I'll link it below too. So the mini Cali is quite small. This one is definitely a lot more spacious, almost like twice the size that you could put in the mini Cali. You could put in like a full wallet. It looks like you could do like your makeup bags and everything. And if you guys are interested and want to see what fits in here, I'll be happy to do another video. Just leave me a comment and I could do the what fits in here. But I'm going to show you what I bought to go with it. I can't believe it. Look at this. This is so cute. This is like a bag charm that I found. And so I could just like, figure out a way. I think I do have to hook it. And then it's like, it has this little, like a mommy Birkin and a baby Birkin. That is so cute. I mean, of course, this one, the quality is not the greatest, but you could put your AirPod. I tried it and it fits in this little bag. You actually could open it. And it opens up just like a little Birkin. And yes, it fits an AirPod in here too. And then you can wear this and just hang it right next to this Birkin. Oop. Look how cute. How cute this is. Adorable. Okay, so that is it for today. I just want to show you and share with the unboxing with you today. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I can't wait for our next chat. And of course, remember to let me know if you want to see a video of how this fits. So thank you, and we will see you next time.